Today, we're going to introduce the past continuous tense as we continue learning English from zero. The past continuous is made from the past tense of the verb be and the ing form of a verb. So, for example, I was studying. You were writing. He was working. She was thinking. We were traveling. You were eating. They were sleeping. We use the past continuous to talk about the past. There are 5 main situations when the past continuous is preferred or used. First, for something which happened before and after another action. In other words, during another action. For example, the children were doing their homework when I got home. I got home is simple past. We were doing, or the children were doing, is past continuous. Now compare it with the past simple if we try this. The children did their homework when I got home. That means after I got home, they did the homework. But when we use past continuous, I got home during that activity of homework. Second, we use past continuous for something that happened before and after a specific time. It was 8 o'clock. I was writing a letter. Compare that sentence with this. At 8 o'clock, I wrote some letters. There's a difference. And the past continuous suggests a duration of activity that went before and after 8 o'clock. Number 3, you use past continuous to show that something continued for some time. My head was aching. Everybody was shouting. I'd like you to practice some of these past continuous conditions in the comments below. I will look at them and correct them if possible. Let's look at the 4th use of past continuous. We use it for something that happened again and again. I was practicing every day, 3 times a day. They were meeting secretly after school. They were always quarreling. And the 5th instance of the past continuous is with verbs which show change or growth. The children were growing up quickly. Her English was improving. Is your English improving? I hope so with this video series. So be sure to tell a friend about it and make a comment below if you like the video. Another example is my hair was getting long. The town was changing quickly. I hope that your level of English changes quickly as you watch my video series from zero to intermediate level. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next week for the next segment.